What's up, y'all? Just wanted to give y'all a little video. I don't know why, but I haven't done a video on YouTube in forever. So just want to give y'all like a little video pretty much of my car blowing off. So I'm gonna shut up so you guys can listen. I can't turn the VSA off because my tire is low. Running open atmosphere. I know you're not supposed to run open atmosphere, but I can at least get a few laps in before, you know, the check engine light comes on. I normally run it recirculating because that's the way you're supposed to do it for it to run efficiently. But it still is cool, you know what I'm saying, like to blow off on people. And I'm not even exceeding the 25 mile an hour speed limit. So for y'all say I'm speeding in the neighborhood, I'm not going over 25. I'm literally just doing like quick little pull, hit 25, and then I let it off. Just want to give y'all a little something. Just going around in the neighborhood. Just something to give you a little bit of content because I'm not on here like I should be. This is a Turbo XS or XS Turbo. One of them joints, you know what I'm saying? Blow-off valve. I've been on it for like 2 years, you know what I'm saying? I love this blow-off valve. It's so simple and it's sturdy. I can turn it on and off if I want to. That's it.